I hope you are doing well. I am Dr. Sheetal. Today I will be talking about foods which are beneficial for constipation. Before we start inspecting the right foods for constipation, let us understand why we require to know foods useful for constipation. You might have observed different forms of stool you pass, like hard stool, loose stool, stinking stool, stool with no odor, and so on. What is stool? Stool is the unwanted portion of food we eat and hence it is excreted out. Your food and water intake decides the form of stool and speed of evacuation. You can see changes in form and odor of stool if you eat undesirable food even for once. If you are experiencing constipation, it means there is not enough volume in the stool. There is no generalized solution for constipation. What suits others may not be valid for you. So be sensitive to your body and needs of your body. For constipation, high fiber food is recommended. Now, what is fiber? Fiber is the edible part of food which cannot be digested. It increases stool consistency and bulk, both of which improve bowel movement frequency. Some fibers are soluble in water and some fibers are insoluble. Both soluble and insoluble fibers are necessary to reduce constipation. So let's check foods rich in fiber. To relieve constipation, variety is the key. Include a variety of seeds, whole grains, beans, fruits and vegetables, dried fruits and nuts in your diet. Seeds like basil seeds, also known as sabja or faluda seeds, form a gel-like substance when soaked in water or any liquid. Some seeds like fenugreek seeds swell on soaking. These seeds increases bulk of the stool. You just need consumption of 1 or 2 teaspoons of these seeds along with a glass of water. Also incorporate sesame seeds, flax seeds regularly in your diet. Yes, seeds are rich sources of fiber. Beans like chickpeas, kidney beans and others have a great mixture of soluble and insoluble fibers, both of which help the food keep moving through intestine to reduce constipation. Fruits and raw vegetables are always an excellent choice for constipation. Aim to eat fruits and raw vegetables every day. Why fruits and vegetables are compulsory to treat constipation? It is because fruits and vegetables are good and palatable combination of soluble insoluble fibers along with fluids. Thus they provide bulk and moisture to the stool. Eat green leafy vegetables daily. Take the juices and soups in unstrained form to save fiber. An early dinner of bowl of unstrained soup and a plate of khichdi with tablespoon of ghee is fantastic to relieve constipation. Dried fruits and nuts are a smart choice if you are feeling constipated because it actually contains a lot of fiber. Raisins and figs are especially useful for constipation. Consumption of raw foods is best for constipation. If your palate doesn't allow you to eat raw food, try making interesting salad dressing, dips or chutneys to accompany the raw food. Try different combination of seeds, green leafy vegetables, dried fruits and nuts, coconut to make a variety of chutney. If you are not used to eating all these foods, do not start eating all at once or all in one day, but gradually introduce to avoid complaints of gas or flatulence. Remember to chew your food properly for complete digestion and release of large amount of saliva. This is vital because you are increasing the amount of fiber in your diet. Improve the balance of gut bacteria with the help of prebiotics and probiotics like curd, apple cider vinegar and fermented liquids. The fiber-rich food should always be accompanied by sufficient amount of liquids. Fiber must have water to sweep colon and move the stool out of the body. Along with water, you can drink unstrained juices, soups, thin dals, buttermilk, coconut water, lemonade. Eat super juicy fruits like watermelon, oranges and ice apple to increase the fluid intake. Caffeinated drinks, alcohol, aerated drinks are not included in the list because they dehydrate the body and worsens the condition. If you are constipated, strictly avoid processed and refined foods. Some natural laxatives are lemonade with added pink salt, Both lemon and pink salt acts as laxative. Another great option is ginger tea. You can prepare ginger tea by boiling ginger, turmeric, carom seeds, cumin seeds, fennel seeds and jaggery together. Laxative loosens the stool and improves bowel movement. If you exercise regularly, you may not always require a laxative. It is best to get fiber from food because foods rich in fiber are also rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals like magnesium. Magnesium is a stool softener. It draws lot of water in the intestines and improves bowel movement. If you are not eating enough fruits and raw vegetables to make a difference, then only opt for fiber supplement like psyllium husk or isabgol. Drink a lot of water if you are taking any of these products. Just be sure to talk to your doctor before you start using them. This completes the food guide for constipation. Your questions are welcome in the comment section. Take care and stay healthy.